Asbestos in your home is no joke, and dealing with hazardous materials safely is a total must to keep you and your family safe. So, first off, if you think your place might have asbestos or other nasty stuff, you gotta get some environmental testing done by pros who know their stuff. Don't just guess or try to check yourself because disturbing asbestos can make things way worse. Once you know what's there, hire licensed asbestos removal contractors who are trained to handle the mess without putting anyone at risk. Always make sure they follow strict disposal regulations so the hazardous materials don't end up causing trouble somewhere else. Keep kids and pets away from the area until the job is done and the space is safe again. Also, don't try any DIY asbestos removal because it's super risky and probably illegal in many places. If you spot any damaged materials that might contain asbestos, don't touch or move them until experts say it's okay. And lastly, ask for a clearance test after removal to confirm the air is clean and safe to breathe again. One of the biggest mistakes people make with asbestos and hazardous materials is trying to remove it themselves, which can cause serious health risks and legal problems. Always hire licensed pros instead. Another common issue is not getting proper environmental testing first, so folks end up dealing with surprises mid-project that mess everything up. Make sure you test early to know exactly what you're dealing with. The last big mistake is ignoring disposal rules and dumping hazardous waste improperly, which can lead to fines and environmental damage. Only trust contractors who follow all local regulations for safe disposal. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners wanting to find trusted local contractors who really know how to handle tricky jobs like asbestos removal safely. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people looking for their services so everyone gets the right help without any stress.